Hello everyone, welcome back to The Fire and the Rain by Girish Karnad, Part 2. The drama consists of a prologue, Act 1, Act 2, Act 3 and an epilogue. In the last class, we have examined the source story of the drama, which is taken from Vanaparva of Mahabharata. Today, let us start with the summary of the prologue. The land is under drought and famine. The land is in want of adequate rain for the last 7 years. So the country is going through a tough time. Famine everywhere. The land is in want of rain for the last 7 years. So, a yajna is being conducted to please Indra, the god of rain. Paravasu is the chief priest of the yajna. He is a man of 28 years old. He is in charge of the whole yajna. Brahma Rakshasa, an invisible demon, is moving around the place of sacrifice. So this is the description of the background of the play. That is, a land is under famine and a yajna is being conducted to please Indra, the god of rain. Paravasu is the chief priest of the yajna, and a strange entity, Brahma Rakshasa, an invisible demon, is moving around the place of sacrifice. And now something happens. An actor manager visits the place. Priests request the king for a drama performance as they were tired of philosophical discussions and debates. The actor manager asks the permission of the chief priest Paravasu. The actor manager tells about the divine origin of Natya Shastra by Bharadamuni. He says that if drama is presented, it will please Lord Indra, so there will be rain. Why Indra will be pleased when a drama is performed? That is the story of Natya Shastra. Brahma extracted the best elements from all 4 Vedas and created a 5th Veda, which is the art of drama. Then after creating the art of drama, Brahma handed it over to his son Indra. Indra passed it over to Bharadamuni. Why Indra passed it over to Bharadamuni? Because Bharadamuni is a human being, mortal. Being gods, celestial creatures, gods, they will not be able to mimic life. They will not be able to perform in drama. So, Indra handed it over to Bharadamuni. So, there is a connection between drama and Indra, because it is Indra who handed it over to human beings. So, the actor manager says that if the drama is presented, Indra will be pleased and he will grant rain. There is a scarcity of actors. So Paravasu wants to include his brother Aravasu in the drama because he is a good actor. Aravasu requests his brother to have permission to act in the drama. At that time, acting profession was reserved for low castes. Aravasu wanted to act because he said he was a criminal who killed his father. Despite king's objections, Paravazu gives permission to conduct the drama. King is of the opinion that first they should complete the sacrifice, then they could have drama performances. Then the drama is about to be performed. The troupe consists of only 3 actors: actor manager, his brother, and Aravasu. A couple of women provides music with few musical instruments. Aravasu calls Nittilai to come and watch the drama. Who is Nittilai? Nittilai is a tribal girl of 14. Nittilai and Aravasu love each other intimately. Aravasu says that Nittilai and Paravasu know that the play is a fiction borrowed from myths. So this is the point where the prologue ends. You can see that there is much difference between the source material that we have seen in the last class and the present prologue. Only the characters are familiar. He is making use of the myth and makes necessary changes, alters certain elements in it. So we will discuss it further in the coming classes. Please do go through the summary of the prologue over and over again, because you should be very much familiar with the events of the drama and familiarize the names of these characters as well. Thank you.